Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.4 question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? Let us check. We know we know that we know we know we know that we know that the the sum the sum of any two sides sum of any two sides of a triangle of a triangle of a triangle is greater than the third side. Greater than the third side. Right? Now in triangle ABC ABC in triangle ABC AB plus BC AB plus BC is AB plus BC is greater than AC. Right? This is equation 1. In triangle BCD in triangle BCD BCD in triangle BCD BC plus CD BC plus CD is greater than BC plus CD is greater than BD. This is equation 2. Now in triangle ACD ACD in this triangle ACD, that is CD plus CD plus DA CD plus DA CD plus DA is greater than AC. CD plus DA is greater than AC. This is equation 3. And in triangle ABD in triangle ABD AB plus AB plus DA AB plus DA is greater than AB plus DA is greater than BD. This is equation 4. Right? Now adding equation 1, 2, 3, 4, adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, 3 and 4 and 4, adding equation 1, 2 and 3 and 4, we get What you get? That here is one is AB, here one is AB. AB plus AB is 2AB. 2AB plus here is one BC, here is one BC plus 2BC plus here is one CD plus here is one CD plus 2CD plus here is one DA, here is one DA plus 2DA plus 2DA is greater than, here you see, here is one AC, here is one AC, greater than 2 AC plus here is one BD, here is one BD plus 2 BD, 2 BD. Now if we take 2 as common, therefore we are getting 2 into AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2 is common, AC plus BD, AC plus BD. Now dividing both sides by 2 we get, dividing both sides by 2 we get, dividing both sides by 2 we get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, CD plus DA, CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD, greater than AC plus BD, right? This is the proof. That means ABCD quadrilateral is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. Yes, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.